Another wonderful question in the figure given below, find angle P. Right? Key thing here, these three lines are given to be parallel. These two lines are parallel cut by this transversal. This angle were 95. This angle would be 95. These two angles are corresponding angles. We find what we can find and then we'll build to find the rest, the remaining part. This is 95. Now think about this straight line. This is 58. This is 95. We can find this. Let's call this as x. 58 plus 95 plus x equal to 180. 58 plus 95. 8 plus 5, 13. 3, 1. 10 plus 5, 15. 153 plus x is 180. Or x is 180 minus 153, which is 27 degrees. Think about this. These two are parallel lines cut by this transversal. Two parallel lines cut by a transversal like this. If this angle were 27, this angle would also be 27 because they are once again corresponding angles. X and P are corresponding angles. So if x is 27, so is P. Once again, wonderful question based on the idea of parallel lines and transversal.